in Boston with Aaron, and we're going to the aquarium over there. We just went to Starbucks. Yes. And yeah, so we're gonna go die, right?
Today's like the only day that I haven't wanted to die in like
yeah, that's actually true. I don't want to die today. Really cute, a little.
Right now?
A really cute Doge just walked by, and there's a real Doge. I saw a Shiba, I swear. Ooh, he's gone. But yeah, bye. You're not in the frame.
Oh, I can be in the frame.
Mom, can you dab? Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Oh! There's seals everywhere. Spirit animal. Oh, there's another one. Oh my god. They're coming. Oh, there he goes. Oh my god, these things are overfed. I'm obsessed with them. They're so fat. They're so fat. They are very fat. She's shook. I'm so happy. Oh, they have a little ball. That's cute. Are there fishies? No, they probably eat those.
I get fed
too many times a day. Look how fat they are.
Well, that's a big Oh, that was cool.
He's just like so high.
This guy is big though.
He's thick.
You're in trouble.
Oh.
Sorry, I went off the grid for a little bit. I had to charge my camera. We're going to the restrooms, but I got a fidget spinner. And it's real lit. It's very unconventional. That's cool. Where's Aaron? So Aaron's boyfriend is 100% a weeb.
What up?
Freaking manga.
West Wind Brigade.
I don't understand. Where is Aaron? Like
In the bathroom?
no, but I like took my sweet time in there.
Should have took your sweeter time in there, actually.
But got this. I know they're cancerous, but they're really fun. Like
That's how cancer works.
this adds to my fidget collection.
A collection of now one.
So we're in Quincy's place. It's real lit. There's this
Quincy Market.
Quincy Market. No, it's this place over there. And there's like this really trippy Asian store called Uniqlo. Freaking mannequins are being hung. So cold, I can see my breath. Whoa!
Oh yeah.
Go.
Mostly because
Oh yeah, she has a flamingo hat. And there's some performers over there. And some really lit teenagers who are like really lame 13-year-olds. So you have that. That is incorrect.
Roast him.
incorrect on your
2017.
position.
Wait.